Guys, I'm hooked into an absolute giant right now. An absolute giant. On the Senko, in the tall weeds. Oh my gosh, look at this fish. It's darting. This fish is crazy fast. He's going under the boat, trying to break me off. Come out this way, I need the net. Oh my god, these weeds and this motor, now I'm caught in this pole. It's like my net. Come here, big boy. Come here. Come here. No, I missed the net. Missed the net. Don't rush it, Abe. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Oh my god, I got him. Oh my god. Holy shit, this fish is heavy. Oh my god.